What's up, everybody? So I hope everyone is having a great Labor Day weekend. I know many of you are starting school, but I've been back for over a month already, and the only advice I'll give on that is buckle in. So today we're going to talk about possible hets and whether they are worth your time and money. So stick around and check it out. Now, before I show you some snakes, let's get into the percentages on possible hets. Now, let's say that we are breeding a clown male to a normal female. So that clown male is carrying 2 copies of the clown genes. Now, during sperm formation, those genes split apart, and as you can see, it doesn't matter which sperm reaches the egg, the baby will end up carrying a copy of the clown gene. So it'll be considered 100% het clown. Now, let's say that we are breeding a het clown male to a normal female. So we have the clown gene here, normal gene here, sperm formation causes them to split apart, and as you can see, the race to the egg is going to be determined, it's going to be up to luck here. It's going to be a 50% chance that the normal looking babies will have that clown gene. Now, if you breed het to het, the possibilities of normal babies in that clutch will be a 66% possible het clown. So with that being said, let's take a look at some snakes, and I'll talk more about whether possible hets are worth your time and money. So this right here is Yehua. He's in blue right now, so he's not as stunning as usual, but he is a GHI Pastel Mojave Leopard, 100% het VPI Xanthic, 50% possible het pied. I got him from Morphmart Reptiles, and he had a brother on sale as well that was the exact same genes but drastically different in appearance, and I think the het pied influences a lot this animal right here. So pieds are those type of recessives that display traits when they are het. Right here we have almost a ringer occurring, which is a common thing with pieds, and also tracks. You can see some tracks right here, those pied tracks. So I'm pretty confident that this guy will prove out 100% het pied and also VPI Xanthic. So pretty exciting to have this male in my collection. So that is Yehua, GHI Pastel Mojave Leopard, 100% het VPI Xanthic, 50% possible piebald. Now this guy right here is the most exciting ball python I have in my collection. It is a pinstripe desert ghost, 66% possible het clown from Fireball Reptiles. Now I took a risk on him because he was considerably more expensive than a regular pinstripe desert ghost. I paid maybe like $500 over at a chance for it being clown. So you got to take risks with these possible hets, and I definitely took a risk with him, and I think he's going to prove out. And let's take a look at why he attracted me. First of all is a lot of het clowns have these tears almost. That's practically a clown tear right there. So I saw those on the picture, and you know, that is just a pretty good indicator that it might be a possible, or it definitely is a het clown. So you gotta take that risk. You know, a pinstripe desert ghost het clown, you're looking at a $2,000, $2,500 animal, and I paid considerably less than that for a possible het, but considerably more for a non-het. So that's part of the thing with ball pythons, is this gambling that you take, this risk with the possible hets. And it's what makes it a lot of fun too. I mean, man, Desert Ghost is probably the hottest gene in the game right now, along with Clown. And this guy probably has both of them. So really excited to prove this guy out this year. Once again, Pinstripe, Desert Ghost, 66% possible het clown. I named him Cornelius from Fireball Reptiles. So this right here is Tigra. She is a vanilla ember or ember cream, 100% het hypo. And she currently is breeding with Tony, my leopard double het VPI Axanthic puzzle. So the potential babies for this are leopard ember, 50% triple het VPI Axanthic puzzle hypo. So pretty crazy combo that can occur with this. I really just want to pick out those puzzle hets, which, you know, you kind of could pick those out. So I'm excited for this pairing, and potentially I could get eggs from her before the end of this year. She's showing all the good signs. She's wrapping, she's locking, and look at that head. Those vanilla heads are just nuclear white, and you can kind of see it peeking right there. So super excited, like always with all my snakes here. But yeah, that is Tigra, the Ember Cream 100% het hypo. So some breeders, they don't want to deal with possible hets or even hets, but for me personally, I'll take them all day. I consider my risks with possible hets as educated risks. You know how a hypothesis is considered an educated guess? Well, with my risks, I do a lot of research on the morph, the hets, the breeders, everything. So when I do pull the trigger on a possible het, I'm pretty confident that it'll prove out, but you know, this is a gamble, and it's part of the fun of ball pythons. So yeah, I'll take the risk any day of the week. So before we leave, I do want to share with you a little bit of feeding of some of my ball pythons. During the summertime leading up into the breeding season, the ball pythons go absolutely nuts for food, and I swear, they'd eat every day if you fed them every day. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so first up who we're gonna feed is Momo. She's the one who gave me eggs that are now on day 48. So day's coming soon when those will be popping out. And she's been just killing the food, so watch this. In fact, don't look down on me because I gotta use tongs and a hook here, but she's crazy for food. Oh, dang. So yeah, that's why I use that. And these 24-inch tongs by Reptile Basics come in handy. Next up, we have Patience, the Enchi clown. She is going to help prove Cornelius 100% het clown. And she's been slamming food too. I think she'll be ready for the breeding season. There she goes. Just look at how magnificent she is. She's already at close to 1,500 grams, just getting ready for the season, slamming rats. We're gonna feed one more right now. Now Bunny, she is off food currently. I think she's getting ready for the breeding season. But Tigra, she's been locking, like I said, with Tony, and she's been slamming food, so let's see if she'll take one right now. She was off for a bit, but it looks like she's back on. So hopefully she takes one right now. And there we go. Thank you once again for joining me on this week's video. Let me know in the comments below whether you like to take risks too on possible hets, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great week, guys. Take care. See you later.